The hopes and dreams of Alice Pyne, a teenager who's become an internet hit for her blog, a list of what she'd like to do in her life, and a life the 15-year-old is determined to squeeze the last drop out of. She has terminal cancer after being diagnosed with Hodgkin's lymphoma 4 years ago. After her last scan showed the cancer was spreading, her mum persuaded her to start a blog and create a bucket list, things she really wanted to do in what time she has left. Some relatively straightforward, such as a trip to Cadbury World and eating lots of chocolate, some a bit more difficult, meeting Take That, and others that simply won't be, trips to Kenya and swimming with dolphins, as Alice can't leave the country. And her plight has caught the public's imagination. Trending on Twitter, with stars such as footballer Rio Ferdinand, TV presenter Philip Schofield, and Hollywood star Channing Tatum tweeting about her blog. Alice insists that she doesn't want any money. Her biggest thrill so far, all the people have signed up as bone marrow donors. Alice must live her life in a much shorter time frame than most, and her message to the world: you only have one life, live it.